y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this crazy clean with me. I don't think I've ever seen a crazy clean with me on YouTube, although I didn't search for it first, but I'm calling it that just because of the fact that I did not plan any of this cleaning. I just clean randomly throughout the day. You'll notice me cleaning my bathroom and then cleaning my living room. I don't know, it's just all odd. But I'm glad you're here watching. Let me know if you like these types of videos. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I just want to mention really quick, because I do get a lot of questions about this. We just got this new bedroom furniture. We got it from Ashley Furniture. If I can remember, I'll link it in the description box. But I am loving it so far. We are still looking for a comforter set that matches. We want something kind of beige. So if you have any ideas, you can send them to me on Instagram or leave them in the comments below. Yep, no shame in my game. This is my side of the bed. I have all my YouTube stuff and my laptop stuff, my chargers. This is mainly all the stuff that was in the previous nightstands that we had, and I just haven't had a chance to clean it up, but I'm going to go ahead and do that today. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay. So right now my normal laundry routine is to use Gain, any kind of scent beads, and Suavitel, and I use Odor Cleanse when I'm cleaning Alex's work clothes. I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget. Right here I'm just kind of cleaning up the kitchen, getting all the leftovers put up from dinner, and then there's no telling what I'm going to do next. I guess you will find out. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. So right here I'm just going ahead and getting my stove cleaned off. As you can see, I still do have something cooking in the crock pot. Alex asked to have buffalo chicken sandwiches for dinner, but the girls do not like buffalo sauce. It's too hot for them. So I just threw his in the crock pot and it should be done by the time he gets off work.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh,
okay, so now I'm going ahead and starting in the bathroom. I'm cleaning out the shower. Just to let you guys know, the bathroom is my least favorite thing to clean. I know everybody has their least favorite. Well, I would hope so. Mine's the bathroom, and then I don't like dusting. So leave in the comments down below what your least favorite thing is that you just don't like to clean at all.
are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone.
So if you see the clear glass bottle in the very corner to the left, that is Grove's new hand soap. I'll have a link in the description box for you guys below to check that out, and you can actually get that for free if you are a new Grove customer. If you're not new, then of course you can go ahead and get the free sponges as well. And then right here we have Aubrey. She's just finishing up some dishes, and she told me that she needs to eat a Cheez-It between each dish. So that's what she's doing right here.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
And the girls usually clean their own bathroom, and Ansley requested tonight that I film her cleaning her bathroom. And Aubrey didn't even have to help her because Aubrey does not really like to be on camera that much. Hence why when she was washing dishes, I did not show her face. But Ansley loves to clean, she loves to be on camera, so that's what she's doing right here. She's cleaning her bathroom and she's doing an excellent job.
In this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my...
Thank you guys so much for watching this crazy and random cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!